Want to know how to control an AI agent in AgentGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, controlling your AI agent is super simple. That is just simply pausing, stopping, or redoing a task. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, I'm just going to create an agent for you right here. So I'm just creating an agent, so I can just simply create the agent by selecting create, and as you can see right here, it's starting to do my task. So it's starting to execute and do its activity. Now if I want to control this GPT, there is two things I can do. Just simply select this pause. In order to pause it right here, it should pause the GPT creation and the resource and navigation. Now in order to start it again, I can just simply select start right here. That's it. I can start it easily. Easy way to control. Next, if I want to stop, I can just simply select stop right here and it should stop automatically. Now once that is done, I can also chat with my agent. So you can just simply select any one of these and then simply select chat, and it should execute just like this right here. And now to redo or restart your agent, you can just simply select this right here, and now your agent should be saved right here and your another agent should be restarted. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.